If you're a graphic designer that uses Pixellab to design and you've been searching for ways to get Pixellab YD, then I want you to watch this video because I'll show you how to get Pixellab YD in the fastest and easiest way. The best part about this method is that I created it, so I know it's trusted. So let's get started. Last year I posted this video in which I explained what Pixellab YD was, the difference between Pixellab YD and the normal Pixellab. So if you are yet to watch that, you should watch it. In this video I also explained, or I also said, that you can get Pixellab YD with my seller link. But then I made the decision earlier this year that prompted me to remove Pixellab YD from my seller store. And that decision was made based on a few reasons, some of which were like, I kept receiving this email of I just made a sale on seller, and it was just like every day, no day would go by I didn't get at least 50 emails, 50 new downloads of Pixellab. And although it's nice to give out free things, but then the email was like, gave me a wrong, different type of vibe. If it was another product, let's say a free design, a free elements, free design resources, then it would have been different. But then this is Pixellab we're talking about. So I decided to move it from my seller store to my Telegram channel. One of the reasons why I did this was that people kept complaining about the password not working, they could not unzip it. Many reasons, many complaints that I got. So I decided to move it to my Telegram, where I just shared it without the zip file, so that you can just get the app directly from there. I'm going to show you how in this video. So I want to use this medium to apologize to all of you guys that have been trying to get Pixellab YD from my seller store and it has not been working, perhaps because of the download link, perhaps you didn't know the password, perhaps you could not extract. So now you can get it with this method, and I'm going to show you that in this video.
How you are going to do it, right? This a new Telegram, so I'm just gonna go to my search bar here, search for FY the icon graphics. You see, it's a public channel that has this number of subscribers as at now. So I'm just gonna tap on it. See, I haven't even joined. Yeah, you can join. I post tips for designers here daily, so you can join. You should join. But then when you search for the channel and you get it, the way to get Pixellab YD from here is simple. Just tap here, the channel prior, tap here, and then you scroll. You see, just like your WhatsApp, for those of you that are familiar with WhatsApp or Telegram, you go to files, and you're gonna see Pixellab YD. There's Pixellab YD. This is the one that I use. There's Photo Room, there's PSCC, there's Pixellab YD Lite, and there's Pixellab YD. This one, although this one has problem with the EN, the one that has EN, it has problem with shape. But you can try it though. But my experience, I saw it had a problem with shape. The one that I use is this one right here. Yeah, then that's it. And I wish you the best. So you just tap on it, download it, and once it's done downloading, you install it. If you have a problem with installing it though, I have a video. Yeah, this link right here at the top right here, this video, it will show you how to install it, and it will basically explain everything about Pixellab YD for you. And that's how easy it is to get Pixellab YD. So I'm going to start the download here because I already have it. But just for you guys that need it, the new Pixellab YD that I've been asking, this is exactly how you can get Pixellab YD without no stress. The easiest way. The best part about this is, you see, it is the app. It's .apk. It's not a zip file. So once you download, you can immediately install it without having to extract, looking for password. That's just the best part. And don't forget, once you get here, join my channel.
So I hope this video was of help to you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to whoever you feel may need it. Maybe the person needs Pixellab YD, or maybe may be any other thing that I share on this channel, but just do well to share it to people that you feel like may need my channel, or specifically may need this video. Also, if you are new to Pixellab, or you just want to improve your Pixellab design skill, then you can use the link in the description to get my Pixellab course from my seller store. It's very affordable. And that will be it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.